Steven! Steven! What are you doing?
I don't want to eat.
Oh, come on, it's time for dinner.
I don't want dinner.
Well, come on, you know you're hungry. You haven't eaten since breakfast.
I wasn't hungry.
Come on, Grandma's coming over pretty soon.
You're just saying that to make me calm down.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You always do.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
If you don't eat dinner, you can't have dessert.
What's dessert?
Ice cream.
I hate ice cream.
Oh, but we're gonna put sprinkles on it.
Sprinkles are good.
Yes. So you want to come and eat?
No!
Oh.
Oh.
You listen right here!
No!
You're gonna eat and you're gonna like it!
Okay. Yay! La 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 la.